Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a Nykaa haul. I had purchased few items, few products from Nykaa, and I thought let me just show you. So basically this box right here has few skin essentials, few products which I've already taken and it got over. So I thought let me just get a new set of those products. So I'm going to show you what I use and which makeup tools I use or which skin product I use. So let's start and let's unbox this. Hot outside, even inside. I mean, I put the AC on, but still I'm sweating. So guys, ये प्रोडक्ट जो था, this box 2 days पहले आया था, but I wanted to unbox this in front of you guys. अब सोच सकते हो कि मैं 2 दिन से इसको unbox करना था, but I was like no, I want to do in front of you, so I thought let's keep it. Okay, let's open the first item. I like the packaging of Nykaa यार, and ये ना जो paper जो use करते हैं ना, it's actually very nice. Okay, so I know what is this. This is a face wash. This is a Cetaphil face wash. Guys, for face wash, I have used a lot of products, but this is the only product which I have liked so far. It does not make my skin dry. It feels good. I mean, any product that I have used when it comes to face wash, it always is to just tear off my moisture of the skin, but this helps me. So this is a go time. I always use this face wash, always. Okay, next. Okay, now this is basically a puff, okay, a pizza shaped puff which you can use it basically to bake. So you can apply it, you can put a powder and then you can apply it here, you can apply it here. Okay, I'll just show you how it is. And this is from Pack, and this was a very long waited puff, because I already have one, the round puff, but I wanted something like this. ये मैंने okay, see it is so छोटू, कैमरा में भी फिर भी ये बड़ा लग रहा है, but this is too tiny. But this you just have to put a finger here and this will help you to bake it even just corner of the eyes. This will help. So this was one which I liked. Okay, the next is this brush. Now this is a concealer brush. This is again from Pack. This was also a long awaited brush. This is the brush. Can you see this? Yeah. And this is Pack 219 brush. Okay, this is basically you just apply a concealer and this is you just need to apply it here. Just brush it here. Okay, this way. Tap tap tap. This was also a long awaited brush. I'm very excited. So I'm very excited to use this. And when I'm going to apply a concealer, I'm going to show you the difference of using a concealer, I mean without a brush and with the brush. This was a weighted one. Then I have, okay, so I've got two things here. So this is a corrector, LA Pro, and this is an eyeliner. Now this eyeliner is from the Revolution. It's a white eyeliner. I didn't have a white eyeliner, so I wanted to try how does a white eyeliner looks like. So I have a beige color. I mean, not an eyeliner, eye pencil, but I didn't have a liner. So again, I will try this and I will let you know how does it look like. But right now, I can even open it and show you, how does it look like? How is a brush? Just give me a minute. See, okay, the tip is nice, long and yeah. Okay, now coming is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and the shade number is, no, it doesn't have a shade number. The shade name is Fawn, FAWN. Shade corrector I haven't applied yet. of this particular brand. So I'm going to try this also, and I'm going to tell you, how does it look like. So my next coming video would be on the makeup that I have taken right now, and I'll maybe I will just do a basic makeup, and I'll tell you how does this look like. Okay. Then after that, then I have taken a mascara. Yeah, this is a mascara, Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and this is not a waterproof mascara. Okay, so I have a waterproof mascara of the same brand, but I haven't taken right now is because if I have to do just a daily makeup or some show, do a shoot on a makeup. I think when you put a waterproof makeup, when you have to get it off, it's damn difficult to get it off. So even though I use my routine of removing the makeup is 3 steps routine, and still the mascara takes a lot of time. So what I have done is, now only if I have to go, this is what is my preference, I felt I should do it only if I have to go somewhere out, I have a wedding party or anything as such, and I want the mascara long lasting, and I don't want to apply that mascara, the waterproof one. And this mascara I can apply like if I have just something just for an hour, or maybe somewhere like right now if I'm talking to you, and I can go ahead and apply this kind of mascara, because this will it's very easy to come off. So that was the reason I took a mascara which is not waterproof. Okay, after that I have also got a freebie from Nykaa, because I have taken all these things. So Nykaa has sent me this. It's a cute little pouch, and it's looking nice. Let's open this and see. Oh wow, okay. So wow, this is a pouch, and this looks like a watermelon shade to me. I like this. It's a lovely pouch. So it's mentioned Nykaa Summer Saviors. Beautiful pouch, na? I got it free. Free. Sonu is looking at me. उसको लगा मैंने इस पे भी खर्चा किया, but no, ये free मिला है मुझे. And who does not like free? ठीक है. मतलब मुझे तो जितना भी pouch कम है तो भी कम पड़ता है, because I have so many makeup stuff to put in. So it's nice. It's very nice. Thank you, Nykaa. Why thank you, Nykaa? I paid for all these things. ठीक है. So guys, I'm done with this small Nykaa haul. Hope you've liked this video. And if you have any questions regarding the product that I have showed you, you can comment down and ask me. I will be happy to answer you. If you want to know which are my favorite products out of here, so I should tell you that ये जो है ना, ये मेरा सबसे फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट है. बाकी सब चीज़ें चेंज होती रहती है, बट दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई डोंट चेंज. So that is the reason I'll tell you that ये मेरा एक favorite product है. उसके अलावा the brushes and mascara, and as and when new things come up, as and when new brushes or makeup comes up, then you keep on changing. But face wash is something that you have to be so careful that it does not harm you. This is one product which I like. So guys, let's end this video for now. And if you've liked this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And people who have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe it. People who have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. And I shall see you soon with a new video. Bye bye.